Hi peeps. So just showing you some robbing action here. One of my hives is being heavily robbed. It's a pretty weak hive, and it's yellow jackets going in. So they're doing their best to fend them off, but I think I'm going to break this colony down to a single box to help them get through the winter and help with this robbing action. I'll show you what's going on. So these two hives here are doing nice. I just gave them their American foul brood meds, their first round. So you can see from the action, these two hives are relatively calm, and this is me, this is a few minutes ago I was into both of those hives. This one, I'm just fighting for their life here. So you'll see hanging out on the front here, there's more yellow jackets than there are honeybees. The yellow jackets are a little shinier. So there's a yellow jacket here. But you'll see the honeybees are, there's a few guard bees right out in front. Same thing as at the top of the hive here. And they're biting and chasing and trying to get rid of those yellow jackets. And same thing at the top, there's also trying to get in here. And there's just too many of them to handle. I did pop the hive open and checked there's no wax moths in there. It's a weak colony. This is the colony that swarmed in late August. So yeah, I'll break that down to likely. I'll check it out next week, but that's what I'm thinking is I'll break this down to one box, and they'll probably be better equipped to get through the winter and fend themselves off. Yeah, that's enough for me. I don't mind getting stung by a honeybee once in a while, but yellow jackets, no thanks. Here's my hive action. Go away, wasp.